Welcome to Google Apps for Education 101, Google Docs. By the time you finish watching this video, you'll be able to format a Google Doc in no time. But first, let's get signed in. Remember to always sign in using your OCPS Google account. That's your student number at students.ocps.net and your custom password. You can create a new Google Doc by clicking on the red New button from your Drive home screen, or by selecting Docs from the Chrome app launcher, or by going to docs.google.com. The first thing you should always do when creating a new Google Doc is figure out what you're going to name this doc so that you can easily find it again later. To name a document, simply click on Untitled Document in the upper left corner of the screen. If you've already started adding content to your document, it will automatically suggest a name for you. So, let's just pretend you've been asked to write a research paper for one of your classes. You know that you'll need to include images, data, and adhere to your teacher's formatting rules. These are the skills that we're going to focus on. Let's start with adding images to a Google Doc. This is a quick and easy process and allows you to add images from your computer, a link, your Google Drive, or from a Google image search. To add an image, click on the Insert tab and then select Insert Image from the drop-down menu. Select where to insert the image from, click on the image, and then click on Select to add the image to the doc. Once you have inserted the image, you can resize or crop it as needed. Now it's time to add the data you painstakingly collected. Click on the Insert tab again, and this time select Chart from the drop-down menu. You have 4 choices in the type of chart you add to the doc: bar, column, line, or pie charts. Select the chart type most appropriate for your data and then edit it in Sheets until the chart is accurate. The hardest part of a research paper is probably doing the research, but Docs really makes it easy. Click on Tools and then select Research. A sidebar window will pop up on the right-hand side of your screen, meaning you can do all of your research from within the Google Doc. You can filter your search to images, Google Scholar, quotes, the dictionary, and more. When you do come across something you want to use from the research tools, a footnote will automatically be added to your document. Phew, hardest part is over. You wrote an amazing research paper and now need to make sure it adheres to your teacher's formatting guidelines. Your teacher's favorite font is obviously not crafty girls like yours. Your teacher has requested you use Open Sans size 12 font. To change the font, select all of your text and then click on the font menu option and look for Open Sans. While you still have all of the text selected, go ahead and change the font to size 12. Only a few more things to do before you can turn this research paper in. One is figuring out how to get your paper to be double-spaced. All you have to do is highlight your text, click on Format, and select Line Spacing. Then make sure to click on Double. There. Now you should have a blank space between each of your lines of text. Your last task is to figure out if you met your teacher's 1,000 word count requirement. Just click on Tools and then select Word Count. So maybe this was actually a group research paper and you need to share it with your group members. Easy as pie. Just click on the blue Share button in the upper right-hand corner of the screen and start typing in the OCPS email addresses of your group mates. Once you've added all their emails, make sure they have edit rights if you expect them to contribute. If for some reason your group members should only be leaving you feedback, then select Can Comment from the list of options. Or, if group members should really only be able to look at your work, then you would select Can View. And that's it. You should be able to format Google documents like a pro.